Congratulations on your recent Küat purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your direct mount deck from Küat for your 5th generation 4Runner. A few things before you get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Locate 8 M6 square nuts. Install 2 M6 square nuts in both the passenger and driver side corners of the deck nose. Ensure the flat edges of each square nut is flush with the inner edge of the deck nose. Repeat this process for the deck tail. Insert the passenger and driver side deck extrusions into the nose of the deck. The Küat logo should be positioned outward and toward the nose. Install the deck tail into the passenger and driver side extrusions. Install 2 M6 by 14 bolts and 2 M6 washers into the passenger and driver side of the nose into previously placed M6 square nuts. Install 2 M6 by 14 bolts and M6 washers into the passenger and driver side ends of the tail into the previously placed M6 square nuts. Locate and organize deck load bars and hardware. The 5th generation 4Runner will utilize 8 load bars, 16 spacers, 16 T-nuts, and 16 M6 by 20 flathead bolts. Flip the load bar over and insert 2 spacers into the T-channel opening found in the middle of the bar. Slide the spacers to align with the bolt holes at each end. Repeat for each load bar and set aside. Slide load bar T-nuts into the left and right deck frame T-channels. This will be the lower inner T-channel on the deck frame. Insert 8 into the driver's side and 8 into the passenger side. Horizontally align these T-nuts with each other. Flip load bar back over and place into position over the previously placed load bar T-nuts. Install 1 M6 by 20 flathead bolt through the load bar, spacer, and into the T-nut. Repeat for the opposite end of the load bar. Repeat for the remaining load bars. It is recommended to space out the load bars as evenly as possible, especially when you plan on carrying the max load. Fully torque M6 by 20 mm flathead bolts to 9 Nm. Fully torque the M6 by 14 frame bolts installed during the frame assembly to 9 Nm. Each front mount is labeled with a specific identifying number. Locate the driver's side mount labeled 002660. Install using one M8 bolt, M8 washer, and M8 nut. Repeat for the passenger side mount with the number 002661. These front mounts are only intended to rest on the vehicle roof. If your vehicle comes with OEM roof rails, consult your vehicle manufacturer owner's manual to disassemble and remove the OEM factory roof rails. Apply silicone around the inside of the bolt bosses in all 4 mounting locations. Locate the direct mount labeled 002655. To assist installation of the deck, place 2 M8 nuts into the holes on the underside of each mount. Install into the middle driver's side position using 2 M8 by 40 bolts and 2 M8 washers. Repeat for mounts labeled 002656, installed into the middle passenger side. Zero 002657 installed into the rear driver's side. 002658 installed into rear passenger side. Torque to 12 Newton meters. Team lift the assembled deck onto the vehicle roof. Ensure mount bolts on the driver and passenger frame sides are aligned with direct mount holes in the vehicle roof. With holes aligned, secure rack to each mount using 2 M8 by 30 bolts and 2 8mm washers into the previously placed M8 nuts on the underside of each mount. Repeat for the 3 remaining mounting locations. Torque bolts to 21 Newton meters. We recommend a professional installation for the wiring of the deck light bar. Locate the wire harness and the wire hider sleeve. Peel the 2-sided tape from the back of the wire hider sleeve and stick along the drip molding on the passenger side or the edge of the windshield. Locate the plug end of the wire harness. Attach to the back of the nose of the deck. String wire harness down along the open side of the wire hider sleeve and into the engine compartment of your vehicle. Follow directions from your vehicle manufacturer to wire into your vehicle battery. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by calling 877-822-5828 or by visiting Küat.com and clicking on the Contact Us button under the Support tab. And be sure to register your product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.